Yes, hello, welcome! Welcome back guys to another tech video with Human and Suten. As you may know, Phillips Hue LED strips are very expensive and Human and I, we are living the student life. Therefore, we bought those inexpensive LED strips from Wish. You can buy these at eBay, Alibaba, AliExpress, Wish, and this will not be able to integrate into the Phillips Hue Bridge because they don't use the Zigbee protocol. They will use a separate app. But we will all integrate this device and the Philips Hue devices into the Google Home ecosystem, and there we could use routines and control all the rooms with different manufacturers, and that's what I really like about the Google Home system. It's a really fantastic ecosystem.
Now we're plugging in the Magic Home LED strip, and then we're pressing add device, and we're pressing on the device LED, and we get this error message that it says we should check whether the phone Wi-Fi has been connected to LED net, and it has. And then on the second it says turn off mobile cellular network for your phone and try it again. So we're doing that now, and we're pressing try again, and it worked. And now we're gonna choose our Wi-Fi in the house. And after that we just change the name of the light to our desired name. And now we're checking that it works to turn off and turn on the light, and change the brightness, and also change the color, and it works perfectly. And now it's time to mount the LED strip where we want it in the room.
So I already have two devices using the Magic Home Wi-Fi in my college apartment. So the app is already linked to my Google Home, but I have to relink it so it can detect the new devices that we just installed here. We're gonna search for Magic Home Wi-Fi.
And now we're gonna log into our Magic Home Wi-Fi, and it's linking our Magic Home Wi-Fi account to our Google Home app. And here we see all our Magic Home Wi-Fi devices, and we're gonna choose the ones we want in this household. So we did that, and we pressed to the desired household and the desired room.
Here we have the spell room, the gaming room. Here you can see all of the lights, our spotlights, our wall shelf, our docking station, and our TV bench. So all is connected here. With the press of one button I can turn off all the lights here, and I can turn them on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified of our new videos. And please share this video to all of your friends and family so all of them can enjoy the smart home era. And thank you so much for watching again. This is Human and Suten.